In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact customer support on Rocket Money. Whether you're facing a technical issue or have a question about your account, reaching out to customer support can seem daunting. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way so you can get the help you need as smoothly as possible. Let's start by visiting the Rocket Money website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In option. It's typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on Sign In will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Make sure to do so carefully to ensure a successful login. It's important to use the correct username and password associated with your account. If you happen to forget your password, there is usually a Forgot Password link to help you reset it. Upon signing in, you'll be directed to your Rocket Money dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all of your Rocket Money activities. From here, accessing the customer support feature is just a few clicks away. Next, look for the Chat with Us option, usually listed as part of the Support or Help section. Clicking this will open up a chat box where you can begin typing your query or issue. While waiting for a response, it might be helpful to browse through Rocket Money's Help Center. This section covers a wide range of common issues pertaining to billing, subscriptions, and accounts. You'll find it particularly useful if you're seeking quick answers without engaging directly with a support representative. Many users find that their questions are already answered in the FAQs, saving them time and effort. Keep in mind that support team members often have peak hours, so response times can vary. Being patient and providing all necessary details about your issue can help speed up the resolution process. In many cases, the resolution might require some back and forth communication, so keeping the chat active and checking for updates is advisable. Remember, understanding Rocket Money's features and common issues can make all the difference in navigating your account more effectively. If you diligently follow these steps and tips, you'll find that contacting customer support is not only simple, but also efficient. That wraps up our guide on how to contact customer support on Rocket Money. Stay tuned for more instructional videos like this, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.